Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand, where adventure meets relaxation in a tropical paradise. From breathtaking temples to hidden local gems, Pattaya has more than meets the eye. Today, I'll be revealing 5 must-see spots you probably haven't fully explored. Stick around, because number 5 is going to surprise you. Jonshan Beach. Our first stop is Jonshan Beach, but don't let its calm vibe fool you. Beyond the peaceful shores lie thrilling adventures waiting to be discovered, whether it's kite surfing or secret beachfront cafes only locals know about. Think you've seen it all? Jonshan just might have some surprises up its sleeve. Sanctuary of Truth. Next is the Sanctuary of Truth, a marvel unlike anything you've ever seen. But this isn't just a temple. Every inch of this awe-inspiring wooden structure tells a story. With carvings so intricate, you could easily miss the hidden meanings behind them. Can you guess the deep symbolism behind these carvings? You'll have to visit to find out. Pattaya Floating Market. Looking for something off the beaten path? The Pattaya Floating Market is a treasure trove of unique finds. From rare Thai dishes to one-of-a-kind handmade goods, you'll never know what hidden gems you'll stumble upon next. Feeling adventurous? Try the exotic street food you won't find anywhere else. Walking Street. Now, let's dive into the legendary Walking Street. Sure, you've heard about its nightlife, but have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes of this electrifying street after dark? From secret spots to incredible live performances, Walking Street holds a few surprises that even seasoned travelers might overlook. Could this be the most exciting part of Pattaya? Non-Nuge Tropical Garden. Finally, let's step into the surreal beauty of Non-Nuge Tropical Garden. It's not just a garden, it's a magical world full of surprises. Whether it's an elephant parade or an unexpected cultural show, there's always something amazing waiting just around the corner. What will you discover in this lush, living masterpiece? So, from secret beach adventures to hidden cultural gems, Pattaya is full of mysteries just waiting to be uncovered. Want to see more? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on what's coming next from Innovative Tech Tutor. Trust me, our next destination is going to blow your mind. Stay tuned, and happy travels!